Is that right, baby? Yeah, you had a really big poop this morning. Daddy said it went all the way to your neck. How do you get your poop all the way to your neck? Really? Is that right, Shay? You're a silly boy. You got so much to say. Yeah, you do. You got lots to say, huh? What? What? Why don't you turn? Turn, baby. Go ahead. Come on. You can do it. It's too hard. No, it's not. You did it before. Just try again, Shay. Try again. Come on. Try again. Okay? Yay.